Yes, I did. I supported and I voted for him. I even served in his administration. And I know very well why we should be critical. Okay? I was a very close observer. And there are things that I just am not allowed to talk about because these are government workings. But yes, I am very critical and I have every reason to be. I know what I'm talking about. I worked in the NFA. Okay? I worked in government since 1998 after I passed the bar. Alright ko, tanda na. Okay? I know how government works and I know when they're doing it wrong. I also know when they're doing it not exactly legally. And it is wrong to not be critical. The Constitution protects criticism precisely because that is an obligation of the citizenry when government makes mistakes or when government loses its way. In fact, that's the reason why the AFP is the protector of the people, sometimes against the state, sometimes against the government, because it is our right. Okay? We're protected by the Constitution. And yes, if it comes to that, we will be protected by the AFP, or we should be at any rate. And if you keep saying this, na you were critical, you're critical now, you supported before, etc., I am completely and have never hidden that fact. I don't think anybody here doesn't know that I was with the Marcos government. And I don't think anybody will can claim that, there wasn't some kind of injustice that I had seen inside. Don't come here thinking that you know more about me or my experience with the Marcos administration. And it is not better to be joining hand in hand for the betterment of this country, because if this government is doing something illegal, I do not want to be a co-conspirator. Do you understand what it means? When we criticize the government, sometimes their actions are outright criminal. Tapos gusto mo, hand in hand kami with that, Dina, oy. I know that they have a lot of money. I'm not gonna do that. Huwag niyo pong sabihin, Ma'am Sara, na huwag kong sagutin kasi sinagot ko na. Nerd says, ang napansin ko, lahat ng issue na binabato nila, laging suplak. Balik sa kanila. Gentleman's agreement, walang ginawa sa Tacloban, freedom parking, lahat epic fail ang propaganda. Duterte pa rin. Nobody's talking about ousting BBM Manu Pineda because that is illegal. Sige, ingat-ingat kayo sa sinasabi ninyo. Ilang beses na ako nag-lecture dito about inciting to sedition. Sabi ni Dennis Ibay, the administration is using the WPS as a smokescreen with its failures. People are hungry and desolate. Sabi ni kababayan, ang daming problema ang bansa kung bakit sila naka-obsessed sa mga Duterte. Lumobo na ang utang natin sa T13 Plus na at wala namang infrastructure na pinagawa kundi ayuda lang, kakagigil. Sabi ni Madeline, nung time ng eleksyon, hindi ako botante dahil support ako ng Duterte. Kinakampanya ko talaga si PBBM. Sa mga pamilya ko, pinaglaban ko talaga ayun, lahat kami nabudol. Ha! Next election. Bawi tayo. Wow. Tingin ko mahal ko ang Pilipinas. Hindi niya talaga mahal ang Pilipinas. I'm sorry, real talk lang ha. Sasabihin mo, sakit na sa tenga every time kami nanonood sa live stream nyo. Ma'am, hindi nyo kailangan manood. Puro lang ganito and wala naman nagawa. Bakit puro ganito? Kasi ma'am, kung ikikwento ko sa inyo kung anong ginagawa namin, baka pakulong nyo kami. That's a joke. At wala naman nagawa, even mga Duterte. Para namang hindi kayo talaga nagmamahal. Ma'am. Kasi yung totoo lang is actually very creative yung pagtutol ninyo. Good one. Good one. Actually, you get to stay. Di rin naman napababa ang bangag. Bakit? Ma'am, sige, lumabas po kayo or go on your wall and do that. And incite to sedition. Game lang, ma'am. Go. Go lang. Go lang. But I will refuse to be your counsel, ha? Thank you kay Yanix. Thank you kay Ma'am Syra. Thank you kay Yen. Thank you kay, ano pa ba? Ma'am Valerie. Okay. Pag nagsabi ka ba ng people power, okay lang ang people power. Pero yung mga ousting, hindi. Inciting is spelled INCITING to sedition. Nakakapanood ako kagabi ng docu about pang-aagaw ng lupain sa mga indigent habang busy sila sa politika. Pagka BBM resign, okay lang yan. Sabi ni Ma'am Sarah, I'm learning a lot hearing you here, lalo na when you express your galit in English. Actually, mas gusto ko nagsasalita in English kasi the law is written in English. Well, there are translations, pero in general, pag nag-aral kayo ng law, English talaga. It's the language of the court. Do you know that? But if seryoso yung ating gobyerno tungkol sa pagpapalaganap ng wikang Filipino, kailangan Filipino na yung mga batas. And during the time na ang reyna ng Great Britain was Queen Elizabeth I, ang wika before her ng court, the language of the court, kumbaga not court, judicial courts, but the court was French. Nung binago nila yon and ginamit din, pinalaganap niya yung English, which is a really weird language, dun po lumaganap at naging pambansang wika nila. So tayo, kung seryoso tayo na maging Pilipino talaga, laganap ang paggamit, kailangan yung batas natin inaaral na sa wikang Pilipino at ginagamit sa mga hukuman at ginagamit sa formal na diskurso sa gobyerno. Sabi ni Ma'am Pia, how can we join hand in hand? Pinuputo nila hands ng Pilipino para dumepend sa ayuda. That's really good imagery, ma'am. Sabi ni Sir Jojo, hi po. By the way, Sir Jojo, isasabihin ko, ibubulgar ko kung sino ka. Si Sir Orlando De Leon dito. Kasi nasa picture mo naman is a retired general in the Philippine Marines. Siga yan Yes po, I agree with that. And nakakahawa po yung fear na yan. Sabi ni Sir Jonas, isa akong Ilocano, so proud before and after elections dahil naniwala ako sa Uniteam. Kahit nga si VP Inday Sara Duterte naniwala sa Uniteam, that's why nag-give way siya kay PBBM na kahit hiniling natin na si VP Inday ang presidente, dapat natin. Bakit puro bitin yung mga natin ngayon, ha? Nagbababa yung yung character count. Ma'am, party list po ba na sumusuporta sa mga national heritage and culture? What is the question? Medyo hindi kumpleto po yung sentence ninyo. Tadhana na hindi uunlad ang bansang ito, sabi ni Vinci. Wow, sakit niyo naman magsalita. Nasa DNA na ng Pinoy politician ang corruption. Talagang third world country nga ang Pilipinas. We have let so many opportunities go by. So, pero may mga solusyon naman po na kailangan lang ma-implement. Sabi ni Ma'am Lara, I think it's time for many of us to accept na the camp of BBM outright lied to us from the beginning. Kung si VP Inday nga nabudol, mas lalo tayo. This is a learning experience for all of us. Pinatawad natin for continuity and it is becoming clear na sila ang dishonest. Biktima tayo dito, so we have every right to call out. I agree. Of course not. Sabi ni Ann, hindi po ata pwedeng gawing Tagalog. Filipino po ang national language. And actually, magkaiba po yung dalawang yon. Hindi lang ganun ka-obvious because we're very used to Filipino as a national language. Hindi po ata pwedeng gawing Tagalog ang mga batas dahil sa reciprocity with US laws. That's not true po. Wala pong ganyan. And reciprocity means na may counterpart law. It doesn't mean kailangan it's written in that language. Kung reciprocity, sir, edi dapat Filipino din yung US laws. Di ba? That's what reciprocity means. Pareho kayo. Hi kay Celso. Sabi ni Metalized, out of topic mo, i-share ko lang. Yung Instagram ko biglang deactivated. Siguro pati IG ay sinusupil na din. Well, IG is Meta also. So, yung Facebook and IG, iisa lang po may-ari. Nakafollow po kasi ako sa inyo, VP Lorraine Badoy, Laban Kasama ang Bayan. Ooh. I doubt kung ganon though. Well, ewan ko. Sabi ni Ma'am Sarah, wow, galing niyo mag-Tagalog, pero I prefer ko you say it in English. Guys, can we normalize using Filipino, not Tagalog? Okay. Filipino po is the language. It's the national language. Sanayin na natin para hindi na rin tayo. Kasi divisive yan pag sinasabi ninyong Tagalog. Mamaya sasabihin na naman, itong mga Tagalog kasi ganito, ganito. Parang, nanahimik ako dito, biglang napagalitan. So, Filipino, normalized po natin. It's what the Constitution says. Sabi ni Carlos, meron bang party list na advocacy ang National Heritage and Culture sa Congress? You don't have to say national kasi heritage would already imply Philippine heritage. Wala pa po. Naghahanap nga Sabi ni Hermosa Luna, matagal na po, counsel po kayo ng isang member ng religious group. Panotice naman po, fan niyo po ako. Panotice naman po para makatulog ako. Mahiming. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am Hermosa Luna, Sus Maria Joseph. Nagulat naman ako doon. So, sige, just so that hindi tayo nagagamit ng mga tools. People think that talking is not doing. But that is actually the reason nagsasalita tayo para mapalaganap ang awareness tungkol sa mga issue na ito ay para may kinakapitan tayo sa paglaban. Bukod pa dyan, kailangan nagpaparami tayo. Hindi naman pwede na tayo-tayo. And the danger is that we think ang dami natin when we're talking in a bubble. We have to break out of our bubbles. We have to break out of our comfort zones. We can form groups. So, tama yung ginawa ni Ka Eric, gumawa ng grupo. Gumawa tayo ng mga grupo natin, OFWs who are in a certain area at like-minded, kasi it is through groups that we can easily create the numbers that are necessary to make change. Thank you kay Reina. So, di ba? Parang ang tingin lang, puro ganito na lang. Ma'am naman. So, what exactly, parang pag nagsasalita kayo ng ganyan, it's as though meron kayong ini-expect na gawin namin na hindi ko sure kung ano yung gusto ninyong pagawa sa amin. Bukod pa dyan, para kayong nag-uutos, puro na lang ganito, salita lang kayo ng salita. Teka, kung meron kayong something in mind that you want to do, bakit kayo hindi nyo ginagawa? Why are you expecting us to do it? Ako, gusto ko may critical mass. Gusto ko marami yung makukuha natin. And actually, itong pagsasalita natin, nag-work siya. Kasi nakikita natin na bumababa na yung trust, approval, and satisfaction ratings ng ating Pangulo, ng ating administrasyon, maliban lang kay VP Inday. Okay. Ang kaming cat. Ay, Suki. This is Suki. Suki! Huwag dyan eh, mahuhulog yung laptop ko. Okay, this is Suki. Say hi. Say hi, Suki. This is Suki Sungit. I need to put you down because you're going to knock over my, my laptop. So yun, 'di ba? It doesn't help. Para kayo nang aaway po kayo ng kakampi, and that's what I'm saying. Meron po yata kayong gusto na lakad. Ako, ang tingin ko, parang kulang pa. Kasi hindi naman tayo pwedeng maghikayat ng lakad kung hindi natin naiintindihan kung ano yung reasons. Parang, yun, budol? Baka yung ibang tao dyan, kaya mong mag-create ng crowd. Pwede mong sabihin, libre bigas. Join kayo sa akin. Pero nakakatulong ba yun? That's not fair. Para sa akin, kulang pa rin tayo. But, dumadami naman. That's why we're doing what we're doing. Now, kung meron kayong ibang idea o pamamaraan na gusto ninyong isulong, feel free to do it. In fact, ini-encourage po natin. Pero yung you're going to diss the people who are actually trying to do something, that's not only not fair, but it slows things down. Kung kayo gusto niyo talaga na may pagbabagong mangyayari, yung pang-aaway niyo sa amin, hindi po nakakatulong. In fact, baka bumagal pa. Kasi naninira kayo eh. Naninira kayo ng mga tao who are actually trying to do something. Kung hindi po kayo sang-ayon sa ginagawa namin, gawin po ninyo yung sinasang-ayunan ninyo. Okay? Hi kay Benchmark Nabs. Sabi ni Alvin, habang abala tayo sa pagdedebate, ang iba naman ay abala sa pagnanakaw. Sige sir, anong gusto ninyong gawin? At bakit hindi nyo pa po ginagawa? Bakit dito kayo? At parang pinagagalitan nyo kami. So ano po ang gusto ninyo? At ano po yung hindi nyo pa ginagawa hanggang ngayon? Sabi ni Jason, may inverse benefits din tayo sa mga trolls. All the more they tend to talk erroneously and bash, the better your counter responses are and the more sutils become wiser. In turn, pag mas marami ang natututo sa inyo, mas lalo mahihirapan ng admin na ito na kumbinsihin ang marami sa so bad political narrative nila. So yes, thank you trolls, you're making us all learn more. I love it when you get my point. Thank you kay Bench ulit. Sabi ni Ashley, I learned that second chance is not a good choice. We gave it to the Marcoses, we end up broken-hearted again. Oo nga eh. Don't you think kulang na lang talaga. I thank you kay Human Being at saka kay Bing de Ocampo. If I am, how do you call this? Figuratively banging my head on the wall for being so blind. Sabi ni Eric, totoo po, if we say Tagalog, nagkakaroon ng regionalism mentality sa overseas ang tendency magkumpul-kumpulan mga Bisaya at ibang grupo ang mga Tagalog. Yikes. Filipino. Okay? Pero yung tao, Pilipino. Ewan kung bakit hindi pa nila pinabago yun. Okay, ganito. Okay, pag sinabi po bang Filipino language, kasama po ba doon yung ibang salita sa Pilipinas? The Filipino language, ang language policy natin dito sa Pilipinas was to create a national language. Kasi ang dami pong languages dito. Ano yung mga languages na yon? Well, I can only name about 23 and I probably won't be able to tick them off so quickly. But Tagalog is a language. Ilocano is a language. Kapampangan is a language. Pangasinense is a language. Ivatan is a language. Ibanag is a language. Kangkanae is a language. Hiligaynon is a language. Do you want me to go more? Cebuano is a language. Tausug is a language. Right? May Samal na language. Merong language na kanila lang sa Romblon. I forgot the name. Sorry. Meron din ang Kapul na sarili nilang language. And these are languages. Ngayon, kung may mga tao na ang tingin po nila ay mga dialekto itong mga to, then that's the reason why mabagal yung evolution ng Filipino language. Now, the Philippine language policy is this. Dahil hindi magkaintindihan o nahihirapan ang iba't ibang mga native speakers ng iba't ibang wika dito sa Pilipinas, in the 1930s, we decided, yes, we did, to have a national language. Pero dahil ang sentro ng komersyo at ng gobyerno ay nasa Tagalog region, Manila, naging Tagalog po ang base language. Pero base language po yon. Ibig sabihin, ang policy is Filipino language was supposed to borrow terms from all languages, all local languages of the Philippines. Tama po yung tanong ninyo, kasama po ba doon ibang salita sa Pilipinas? So dapat ini-incorporate po natin ang mga salita na nanggagaling din sa iba't ibang wika. Pero ang problema is nag-create tayo ng Komisyon ng Wikang Pilipino. Pero tila hindi sila nagde-develop ng ating wikang pambansa. Pag tinignan nyo yung mga proyekto, dictionary ng ganito, dictionary ng ganyan, nahihirapan yata silang intindihin kung ano yung national language policy. Posible po kasi dahil hindi linguist yung mga inuupo doon sa sa Komisyon ng Wikang Pilipino. So, sorry. Charge lang po. Nag-vote lang talaga ako kay BBM dahil kay Inday. Scammed. Huwag niyo kayong magalit kay Inday. Zando Alawi says, if may negligence kung sino man yung gobyerno, why not mag-file ng case against them? What do you think? Ganito po yun. The Constitution allows free speech precisely because the judicial system works on a system of evidence. It's an adversarial system. Meaning, bakit bibigyan mo ng sobrang bigat na burden ang ordinaryong mamamayan? Kasi filing a case costs, number one. It requires legal counsel, number two. It requires evidence. But government is supposed to be transparent and it is supposed to be responsive. So kung yung pag sinasabi ninyo, alam mo palang may ganyan ba't di kayo nagpa-file ng kaso? Why? The government is the servant of the people. Pero gusto ninyo, i-burden nyo yung taong bayan na pwede lang mag-criticize through filing cases? That's not what the freedom of speech guarantee says. Ang sinasabi is we can call out our officials. And in fact, kahit mali, kahit walang ebidensya, pwede po yun. So, by making it burdensome on the ordinary Filipino, what you're basically saying is that it should be difficult talaga to criticize government. But that's not what the Constitution says. Sabi ni your homebody, mismo na madam sa government, hindi po. Stress yun, Stress yun, and I got very little sleep. Sabi ni rule number 2, pwede po ba mag-rally in a way of caravan at hindi po ba ito haharangan? Oh, well, you should expect the unexpected. This is not a government that allows free speech. This is not a government that takes kindly to the freedom of assembly. But do it anyway so that the people can see how oppressive it is.